Hello guys, today today I'm back with experiment number 8 for today. It has some mittens on it. Are those mittens? No, pine cones. These are pine cones. It's day number 8, hopefully it's in focus. There we go. So yeah, I wish the items on the box matched up to the items inside the boxes, but they don't. I don't really care, it's just for decoration. Anyway, here's A8. This today was a crystal sphere experiment type thing, or a double experiment, so let's see what day 8 is, if you can hear that. It has like some powder in it, it feels like. So this will be another, I think this will be another powder experiment. Or an experiment that has powder along with it, if that makes sense. So, there we go. Let's open up the box. Ooh, it is powder! We've usually been getting blue powder. This time, it's actually green and purple. So we get our little... My camera does not like to... There we go. We got our instructions, which I'll open in a minute. And we get our powders. Usually our powders that we've done so far, the boxes that we've done so far that have powder only have blue powder. This comes with 2 colors of powder. So we get a really nice... It's like... So this is a sand. So usually the ones that we've done have been a like instant resin, so blue right here, or it's been blue. So all the sands that we've got, for some of these experiments have been blue. We get 2 different colors now. So in this, for day 8, I thought so because the box kind of sounded like it had some like sand in it, or like powder. Yeah, sand, powder. So far the whatever you want to call them, powders, sands that we've gotten for some of these experiments have been blue. We get 2 different colors today. We've only been working with blue. So this is a purple. A nice, really vibrant purple. Then we get a really nice neon. I'm not sure if it like picks up neon in camera, but it's like a really nice neon. Actually, it picks up better on camera than it does in person. Hey, this really cool neon green, and they are not edible, as are any of these experiments that I'm doing are edible. None of them are. But these are sands. So we get a purple sand and a green sand. Usually the powder / sands that we get so far have been blue. We got purple and a green. I thought these would be to make like a bouncy, one of those like micro bouncy balls. If you've ever seen those kits where you get the mold and then you pour in the powder, and then you put the mold in water and then you make like a bouncy ball. But yeah, no. So purple and a green. Now, it says sand on it. The other ones that we've gotten say instant resin or crystals, or crystal powder. So these say sand. So every box for each day comes with what you will need for that experiment. There are some additional things, but they're easy to find, like spoons, bowls, water, mixing utensils, sticks, stuff like that. So. But all the main ingredients for that experiment actually come in that. But in each box, you just have to grab spoon, fork, or whatever for some of these experiments. But those are what everyone has in their house. Those are common household items that people have. Ooh. Have you guys seen that Never Wet Sand stuff? Like that what do you call it? Like that that like never wet sand where you put the sand in water and then when you pick it up it's dry. And then when it's in the water it's dry, but then when you pick it up it's dry. Like the never wet sand type thing. I wonder if that is what this is for. Because it says we're gonna need to prepare a bowl of water. Now their type of sands that they got, it looks like those were in a plastic container. I don't know if there's a different variation of colors that you can get, but I got purple and green. And it says we're gonna have to prepare a bowl of water. So let's do that right now. So bowl, when it comes to bowl, when I think of bowl, I think of bowl. So let me see what bowl I can find. Sorry guys, I'm trying to find a bowl. Oh no. No. Here. I use this. This is the bowl. So, it says to fill it up with water. Now, what I don't like is that it does not specify cold or hot water. So, all that says is just prepare a bowl of water. They don't give us hot or cold. They don't tell us what hot or cold. They just say fill a bowl with water. So, I found this one, which I thought would be cool because it's like a double-sided type thing. So I can put one stand with water in this one, and then one stand and water in this one. So it's like a dual little compartment thing. So I can put one stand water packet in here, and then one stand water packet in here, and I can do them at the same time. So found a bowl. Now it says to put them with water. Instead of just running this under the sink, I'm going to do the best part ever. I'm going to grab measuring spoons. I'm going to grab my 1 tablespoon 15 ml measuring spoon. This is what I used yesterday for the crystal dome experiment, if you're wondering, because I had to use boiling water for the experiment yesterday. So I used the 1 tablespoon 15 ml. I used like 4 and maybe 5, maybe 6 of these, and I just filled this cup with boiling water, and then I used cool water. So yeah, I'm gonna fill this container with water with these. I'm gonna pour them into here and then into here, and then we'll put our sand in. Actually, no. That's gonna take way too much time. Instead, I'm gonna get one of these Big Daddies right here, and I'm gonna... Or no, not that one. Oh, there we go. I'm gonna use this. This is a 1 cup, 250 ml cup. Kind of what it's like you would use for baking, if you know what I mean. So, I did not want to use tablespoons because I'm using measuring, like, cups. Again, they do not specify you using measuring cups, but I don't want to run it under the water of the sink, so I'm just using one of these 1 cup 250 ml cups, or measuring cups, and I'm just, cups, and I'm pouring them into both sides. I already finished that one. I'm doing this one now. So, And what I like is that it's actually really this 1 cup 250 ml is the perfect amount to put into both sides. That will fit both sides, and it does not fill. What I like is that it does not fill the container up all the way, so it's not like overflowing, and that's what I like. It's just the perfect amount. So now it says we're going to pour the sand into the water. So that's why I picked this tray, because I didn't want to use 2 different types of glass cups. So I decided to do a dual container, so I could put both sands in on both sides. It says we're gonna put in the sand into the water, so I'm gonna do the green first, and then I will do the purple on the other side. And then it says the sand will slowly sink to the bottom. So it should start off at the top, and then it should sink to the bottom. That's why I picked out this container, is because I wanted, well, that didn't work. I wanted a container that I was able to do, oh my gosh. That's so cool. I wanted a container that I would be able to put both sands in, and so that I wouldn't have to grab 2 of those cups. So I decided to just do this so that I could pour both of the sands on both sides. It seems like there's less sand in the purple than there was in the green. Now it says the sand will slowly sink to the bottom. When the sand was finished out, when the sand is fished out, it will stay dry. So yes, this is what I think. It is never wet sand, which I think is really cool. Never wet sand is a really cool, like, sand where if you put it in water, it will. And then, like, if you put it in water, it will be wet, but then when you take it out, it will be dry. So I'm going to grab a fork. I'm going to kind of help it along a little bit and just kind of make sure it kind of gets. Here, look guys, like, seriously, look at this. So I'm kind of helping it along here. It does actually sound like sand, like sand you would like find at the beach. And here's the purple. It's kind of like, hear that gritty sound? And then it says, when the sand was fished out, it will stay dry. Look at that, guys. It is legit. It's still, like, look. It's dry. It's legit dry. But when it's in the water, it is wet. But you can still build shapes with it, but then when it comes, because when it, but then when it comes out of the water, it's legit powder. You can still make shapes with it and stuff, but when it comes out of the water, It's actual sand. Like, it actually feels like actual gritty sand. And you can shape it when it's underneath the water, but when it's above the water, you can't shape it. It's just sand. And then it says, shape the plate with the paper and line it with the sand. Huh? This, it says, shape the plate with paper and line it with sand. Wait, what? I'm not doing that. That makes no sense to me. I'm just keeping it in the water. And then it says, if you pour water into the sand, you'll find it won't go in. Maybe they're saying, transfer the sand back into a container, like a bowl, and then you'll realize that the sand won't go in. I'm not gonna do that. That's just extra steps for you guys to watch. It makes no sense to me. And why am I going to do that when I just transferred the sand into water? It doesn't make sense. So anyway, it says, so basically what we just did, the whole science behind this experiment is, it says the experimental principle. An ordinary surface coated with layer of hydrophobic material. When the sand into the water, hydrophobic material, in order to reduce the connect area with water, will take the internal to form sand blocks. Huh? I think they messed up on their spelling there. On these instructions, a lot of the instructions in each of these boxes, they mess up on their wording. But yes, basically what this is it's never wet sand. Basically, when you put it in water, it's dry, but then when you pick it up, when you put it in water, it's wet, but then when you take it out of the water, it's dry, and it's powder form. If you want to see actual never wet sand, like actual what never wet sand actually is, go check out some YouTube videos. I'm probably not that good at explaining it, but if you type in like never wet sand on YouTube, it should come up, or some videos should come up with that result. But anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.